What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm coming at you with a makeup tutorial. I love the fox eye trend that is going around, and I actually made a TikTok about it and I love the way it turned out. So I figured let's do it again, turn it into a longer YouTube version, because it's actually really easy to recreate. In this version there's no eyebrow shaving. I'm pretty proud of my natural eyebrows and I don't really want to shave these off. A few things that you will need: little tiny hair ties, or if you don't have those, just a regular hair tie would work fine. I think these work a little bit better because they're teeny. Whatever you do your eyebrows with, whatever your brow routine is, we're gonna want stuff for that. I literally only use brow mascara for my brows. The next thing you're gonna need is either a mascara or false lashes that you can cut, just because you really want to accentuate just your outside lashes. You're also going to need a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm just using a basic brown from this Tartelette palette. I'm also gonna use the black in it for eyeliner because I don't have an eyeliner. Brush, of course. I don't have like small makeup brushes or an eyeliner brush, so I actually use this broken like little cheapy one, and that's what I'm gonna use for eyeliner. So I'm gonna find where the corners of my eyes are and then grab the chunk of hair that is kind of directly like in line with it. I'm gonna grab that where the hair is and like pull it up. Okay, this part was actually a lot harder than I thought, so I separated my hair into a top bun and then a bottom ponytail just so I could work with these two pieces of hair on the side. But basically what you're gonna wanna do is pull them into a little tiny ponytail in the back of your head and make that as tight as possible. I use bobby pins just to keep it in place for a moment, and then you're gonna wanna make sure that's tight and pulling your skin. Now I'm going to take my NYX brow mascara and do my brows. So we don't want that curve, we want it to just kind of keep going up. So after I do my brows, I'm gonna add just a little bit of brown into the creases of my eyes for some depth. Okay, so obviously I don't have the right tools here, but basically what I'm gonna do is do a winged line on each eyelid and then stop it about halfway. There's eye one. Like, you can already tell the effect that's starting to take place with the little ponytail, pulling my face back. So I did the eyeliner, kind of a little wing, and then stopped halfway, and I'm actually going to make a little mini inside wing. So we're gonna do little points on the inside too. And then focus the mascara just on the outside bits. Yeah, so like I said, we're just gonna put a little bit of mascara just on the outermost part of our lashes. If you have false lashes, this is where you would cut them and then just glue them just to the outermost part. I'm also gonna put a little bit of mascara on my bottom eye. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay indoors. I'm just kidding. Seriously, stay inside.